Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to link Yahoo Fantasy to YouTube. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to link your Yahoo Fantasy account to YouTube. First, head to the top right corner of your YouTube page or app and open Settings. That's the gear icon. From there, look at the left panel, select Connected Apps, scroll down a bit until you find Yahoo Fantasy. Click Connect, choose the Yahoo Fantasy account you want to link, and remember, you need to be at least 18 years old to do this. After that, you'll be redirected to yahoo.com where you can either sign in or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Once done, your Yahoo Fantasy will be officially linked to your YouTube account. Super simple and easy. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.